Lindsay with Kansas Hydrographics, and we've got another carbon fiber pattern for you. This time it is black carbon fiber braid. There is a lot of ink in this one. I would say not as much transparency as our original black carbon fiber. This one definitely has a braid look to it, and those are pretty fine lines of braid, so this would work on small and large parts. We're going to dip this one to a white speed shape just for our control, so you guys can get a good idea of what it looks like, but you are welcome to dip this on just about any color out there. Our most common carbon fiber, black carbon fiber and paint color combo is any black carbon with charcoal metallic DTP. And we spray at about 17 psi. And we have people ask every once in a while, some people don't know, this is how we tape our speed shapes. It's a pretty simple just handle that we make there. And that is our black carbon fiber braid. Use a little rinse, but it prints nice. The resolution is a lot better than I thought it was. I don't really see any problems with it. Most people don't prefer to have that on a white base. It's just not as desirable. But again, on a charcoal metallic DTP base or any color of the rainbow, you're welcome to use, other than obviously black. That's not going to show. But yeah, the print's great. That will be in the carbon fiber section. That's of course at KansasHydrographics.com. You can also make sure that you are subscribed to us on YouTube, and you are also welcome to download our app. It's available on the Google Play and Apple App Store. That just streamlines the ordering process a lot easier for you guys. So anywho, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.